We're seeing a big trend today of people going towards wireless headphones, especially like Apple AirPods, where each headphone is completely wireless. Well, today we're going to look at wireless headphones, but with a different kind of twist. These here are the Jabra Elite 65E. These are also wireless headphones, but what you can see here is it has a band that you would basically wear around you, and each earbud is connected by a wire. However, what makes it wireless is that you don't have to plug it in directly to the headphone jack on your mobile device. So when you wear it, you basically sits around your neck, and these two earbuds also have magnets that allow it to connect. So you could almost wear it like almost like a chain, and in the event that you get a call, all you have to do is remove the two bands and it will automatically, hands-free, take that call, which is really good if you drive on the road a lot, because if someone is calling, you can feel that your phone is vibrating in your pocket. You just have to unbuckle it and then you could take that call. Speaking of calls, it has 3 microphones inside here that actually will cancel the sound and increase the clarity. Because what's amazing about these is it's in a band, there is a microphone, but it's nowhere close to where your mouth is. But the quality that you get on these Elite 65E is phenomenal, I must say. It actually even has active noise cancellation. So you can get about 8 hours of battery with the active noise cancellation on, or if you turn it off, you're going to get 13 hours of battery life without the noise cancellation. So you can almost wear these all day long and you're going to be good to go. Another big trend we're seeing is a lot of people are starting to use the virtual assistants, the Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. What I like about the 65E is that it does have a button, a one-touch access to those very assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. The 65Es also have these great earbud gel, kind of ear gels is what they call it. And this allows you to get a perfect fit. It comes with different sizes, so the first thing you want to do is to figure out which one fits you the best, and then you can keep those on and you'll be good to go. Retails for about $250, but I'm going to tell you this right now. I use these all the time. In fact, if you see me on the street, I might be wearing headphones that look like a chain. Again, if you are looking for a great wireless type of headphones that you're not going to lose because they're completely independent or you have to carry a case with you, you're going to want to check these out. These are the Jabra Elite 65E. You get more information at jabra.ca.